My name is Ray Sarracino. I am the Communications Director for the Lee County Visitor and Convention Bureau.
What does food mean to you?
It's a very spiritual thing for me, and the reason it's a very spiritual thing for me is something everyone has to have. The basic sustenance in existence. We get up in the morning, and the first thing we think of is food. We go to bed at night, and there's anywhere between nightcaps and leftovers, midnight snacks. There's always something involving food in our day, so it is a constant front of our mind experience. What I love about food, what food means to me, is the fact that beyond just sustenance, humankind has elevated food to a wonderful experience, to an experience that transcends communication, that isn't just simply filling your belly, but enjoying it with people. So what's the most important thing for me about food? What food means to me is companionship, love, fraternity. That's what food means to me.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you really liked it, don't forget to subscribe. And if you really liked it, really liked it, press the bell icon. Get our latest videos directly delivered to your inbox. Again, thanks for watching.